In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily block someone on Snapchat. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started. And the first off, open up Snapchat app and then go into chats. On chats, you can find a user or a conversation which you would like to block. And once you find one, all you have to do is just hold down your finger at that conversation. Then tap at Manage Friendship and then select Block. And what that will do, that will actually block that particular user. To block them, hit at Block. If you change your mind and you want to unblock someone on Snapchat, all you have to do is just tap at your profile picture right here at the top left. Then hit at that gear to open up settings. And then just scroll down until at Privacy Controls. You can find blocked users. You can just get into it, and that will show you the list of all users that you have blocked on Snapchat. As you can see, the last blocked guy is at the very first position. And in order to unblock that users, all you have to do is just hit at that cross icon next to user's name and then hit at yes. In the same way, you can unblock multiple users just to keep doing the same steps. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about the tutorial. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.